I'm probably not gonna be the fastest person on this marathon, but I bet I'll be the only person that reps 4 or 5 on deep squats 2 days before the marathon. What you cooking me, baby?
Eggs.
How's it coming?
Doing pretty good.
You love me? Love you more. Alright, y'all, not gonna lie, that workout sucked. My lower back is tweaked. I didn't warm up enough prior to jumping in because we were short on time and we were in a rush and I wanted to hit my 4 plates. As a result, I tweaked my back, didn't get as many reps on the 4 plates as I wanted, so I'm very frustrated there. But sometimes that happens. In other news, we got a package in the mail and I was too excited not to open it, so I already opened it. Crystal opened it actually. But y'all gonna find this interesting. We got some prototype packages in for the new keto brick packaging. And this is the bomb diggity. So rather than having the black bag with the label that we stick over top of it, which makes it harder to open anyways, this will replace that. And it's just like super, super slick. There's one with a matte finish. There's one with a gloss finish. I think Crystal and I are both leaning towards the matte finish. What do y'all think? You have a preference, matte or gloss?
I just had a really good idea.
What was your idea?
I'll tell you.
She's gonna tell me a really good idea. So today, today's the day we're launching the bricks. This video will go live tomorrow, so you'll see all of that goes down. Right now I'm gonna eat these eggs, and I'll talk to you in a bit. About to record a podcast with Danny Vega and Keto Neo, not on my podcast, on his. We're doing like a mass building mashup thing, so let's knock that out real quick, and then we'll resume the day with the brick launch. Guess what Crystal just did, y'all? She just launched the keto bricks. I've been in the kitchen making bricks all day.
Baloney.
And she just sat in here and pushed the button.
Vice versa.
Vice versa. So we just hit the button to send out the email and repopulated the inventory to be in stock for the keto bricks. Every time we push the button, it's like we lose our breath for a little bit.
Yeah.
You know, it's kind of crazy. Kind of like Jack's
Jack
over there groaning. I don't know, it's just crazy because like we don't know if it's gonna sell out, we don't know what's gonna happen.
Yeah.
It's like, well, what if we wake up someday and people don't like the bricks?
What if they just stop buying them?
Yeah, so it's always just like nerve-wracking,
Yeah.
but to get like the support that we do from y'all, it's pretty cool. That's why we keep doing what we're doing.
We do get. I get kind of nervous.
Yeah, I get nervous.
don't know. It's super weird.
I get nervous. But we made a whole bunch. We went through all the equipment malfunctions and we double timed it and made more than we've ever made before. And next month will be even better because now we will have had all the equipment and have it figured out.
Yeah, it's all figured out now. So next month can be like, bam,
Yeah,
got it all
so
done.
It should be good there. So let's see how long it takes these to sell out. If they sell out, hopefully everybody gets a brick. We love y'all. We can't thank you enough.
Yeah.
Whew, let's catch our breath. Alright, y'all, about to jump on another podcast. This time I've got Logan Sneed jumping on with me, and that'll go live, I don't know, sometime the next week or two. But super cool story. I'm excited to dive into that. He had like brain cancer, like a tumor in his brain, and now he's keto and now he doesn't. So about to jump on that podcast, dive into those details. Talk to you soon. Just got done recording the podcast with Logan. He's a super awesome dude. Logan, you said you watch my YouTube videos. If you watch this one, really enjoyed the podcast, man. You're a rock star. The fact that you... people just need to listen to the podcast. Like, it's a great episode. Listen to it. It'll probably go live in a week or so from this video. So probably go live next week. So yeah, be sure to listen to that one. Kill brain cancer with keto and just optimize your life.
Yay! Starbucks. Woo! Is it full? Is it real? Is it full? Yes,
Take care of babe.
You happy?
Thank you.
What do you think, Kayla?
I'm happy.
You happy? Why you happy?
Because I have Starbucks, I'm warm, and I'm chilling and talking to Crystal.
All right. We sold our bricks today.
So long bricks. Tastes like the one I got this morning.
Look at all those bricks. Freaking mountain of bricks. Craziness.
Look at that Savage go. Go Savage go.
Let me tell y'all, it takes mad skills to put a date sticker on a keto brick. We're accepting positions for professional sticker gunner. So let us know if you're interested.
Only Robert would do the easiest job here.
We got reinforcements tonight. Kayla called the cavalry. We're packaging up the bricks that are shipping tomorrow.
There's Corey. Here's our extra two. Tell us your names. Megan.
Dylan.
All right.
All right, y'all. It's 1:30. Crystal has made the executive decision.
I did not make any decision.
What's going on? Catch us up. What's up?
I'm really tired. Robert's really tired. We're gonna go to bed. We're gonna leave these three here to finish packaging up, and then we're gonna wake up early and get ready to ship everything out.
Package them to ship them out.
Right.
Yeah. So, you ready to go to bed?
Yes.
Let's do it. A-Team Dylan. Kayla, she's alright. Pink.
Excuse me. I was like, what?
Huge shout out to the crew out there that came in, and they're lifesavers, because Crystal and I are like just dying right now. We've been up for almost 24 hours straight and we're hurting. So we're gonna go to bed for a couple hours. We're gonna wake up and start packaging to ship out all these bricks and rock tomorrow. So it's gonna be good. Thank you for buying a brick. If you didn't get a brick, we're gonna be making more ASAP. So rest assured you'll get a brick. And it's been a good day. So love y'all. Take care. See you tomorrow.